Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube not working in your Google Chrome in a very simple way. Just go to your Google Chrome and then go for YouTube, and you can see your YouTube is opened. And now if you have any faces problem to play any of videos, what you need to do, you just need to simply try to open it from another browser, like I'm choosing this Microsoft Edge. And if it's the same problem, then what you need to do, you just first of all need to change the date and time setting. Just click on your right mouse button and go for adjust date and time, and then from here you just need to click set time automatically, and it will help you to up to date with the time. And if your problem is not fixed yet, then what you need to do, you just need to go to this three dot option over here, go to settings. So now what you need to do, just need to come over to the privacy and security option, and then go for delete browsing data, click on that. And from here you just need to click on the advanced section, and then you can delete which section you want to delete. But I will going to just delete the cookies and other site data, and going to delete cached image and files and not others, and then simply click on delete data. And I hope your problem will be fixed. So this is how we can fix your YouTube not working into Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.